highest values closer to the Oklahoma border. Refer to the heat advisory for details. Heat indices will range from 100 to 104 degrees across much of the area on Friday afternoon. There is a slight risk for thunderstorms Thursday afternoon for the Oklahoma border counties of southern. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 479, effective until 3 a.m. Thursday. This watch includes the following counties: Butler and Cowley. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, both in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of